القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
So welcome to the practice of lesson number 7. Inshallah, like I said, we will break this practice up into 2 different videos. As you can see, there is every possibility with the Shaddah. You can have any of the harakat on it, so therefore the practice will otherwise get quite long. So inshallah, we'll break it up so it becomes a little bit easier for you to practice with it. And we'll go straight in to the practice. With this one, we're going to say one individual one 3 times. Abba, 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 Abbu, 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 Abbi, 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 Abun, 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 Abban, 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 Abbin, Abbin, Abbin. So we can see we stayed on the sound of all of these for a short period of time. Abba, Abbu, Abbi, Abbun, Abban, Abbin. So move on to ta. Atta, 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 Attu, 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 Atti, 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 Attun, 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 Attan, 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 Attin, Attin, Attin. Moving on to the tha. Why is this the tha? Because we've got 3 dots. Atha, 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 Athu, 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 Athi, 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 Athun, Athun, Athun. See, we've doubled up here. Athan, 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 Athin, 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 Ajja, 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 Ajju, 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 Ajji, 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 Ajjun, 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 Ajjan, 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 Ajjin, 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 Aha, Aha, Aha. The ha you need a lot of emphasis to pronounce the shadda properly, because ha is a letter which you already stay on the sound for quite a while, and it also comes from the deepest part of the throat, a lot of air passing through it, so you need to make sure you're saying it properly. Move on to the next one. Ahu, 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 Ahi, 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 Ahun, 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 Ahan, 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 Ahin, oops, Ahin, Ahin, Akha, 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 Akhu, 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 Akhi, 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 Akhun, 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 Akhwan, Akhwan, أخ 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 أد 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 أدو أدو أدو. If you notice, remember, we're always cutting off the sound so it doesn't go very long in the haraka. Addi Addi Addi. Next page. Addun 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 Addan Addan Addan. Have a look at this. This is all separate. Hamza, Dal, Alif is all separate. Addin Addin Addin. Next letter, Dal. Adha 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 Adhu 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 Adhi 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 Adhun 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 Adhan 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 Adhin 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 Arra 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 Arru 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 Arri 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 Arrun 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 Arrin Arrin Arrin. Remember, this sound is light. The Arri and Arrin are both light sounds, where this Arru, Arra, Arrun, Arrun, they're heavy. Azza 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 Azzu 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 Azzi 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 Azun Azun Azun. And the last one on this page, Azan 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 Azin 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 Assa 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 Assu 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 Assi 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 Assun 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 Assan 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 Assin Assin Assin. Up to Sheen now. Asha 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 Ashu 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 Ashi 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 Ashun 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 Ashan 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 Ashin 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 Assa 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 Assu 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 Assi 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 Assun Assun الصن 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 الصن. Inshallah, that's where we leave it for this video. On the next video, in fact, we will carry on with the sister of Da with the Sad, and we'll say Adda, 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 Addu, 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 Addi, 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 Adbun, 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 Adbin, Adbin, Adbin. Inshallah, this is where we leave it for this video. And in the next video, we'll start from Atta. Practice this, read it along with the video to ensure that you're pronouncing it exactly the same as the video. And inshallah, you will learn how to pronounce the tanween. The shadda with all of its harakat.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.